Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Namrata. I'm actually in the process of making our entrance part of our house, and for that, I'm planning to put some Warli paintings on the wall. In this video, I'm going to share with you how I made these Warli paintings. So, let's get started. I'm not actually using a canvas, so I'm using this 24 by 34 sketchbook. For background, I'm using this yellow ochre color and 6 number brush, and of course, pencil and scale to mark border. So right now what I have done is I have measured 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So vertically I have kept 3 centimeter and horizontally I have marked on 2 centimeter. So now I get one rectangular shape in the middle. Now I am going to paint this middle part by using yellow ochre color. First we are just gonna paint the border and then we can easily paint the middle part. I'm not much worried about the color shade that this middle part is gonna get because all I want is the light color background. I'm not worried about the patches or anything like that because it's those patches that are going to give this painting a structure, so I can just paint the way I want. The first painting that I'm doing is of Warli people making baskets. I'm using 0 number brush with a black color. First, I draw some trees and birds on it, but then I realized that it would be better if I first draw with a pen and then use a brush. So for the next part, I draw Warli, their house and their baskets using black pen and then used a brush. You can clearly see the difference between brush and a pen. So my first painting is done. So this painting is basically represents one of their main occupation, that is making baskets. So you can see everything here is represents making basket or something which is made up of basket or bamboo or tea. So the house is made up of bamboo. Then here are some baskets. Then here are two ladies who are making baskets. Then again, this is another lady who is going to shopping with the basket and etc. I'm quite happy how it turned out. Now the second painting that I'm doing is a representation of harvest season, or we can say harvest day. This time, instead of using a pen, I'm using a marker to fasten the process. And also, as this is the harvest representation, I want to show some grains on the paper. So with marker, it's much easier. So my second Warli picture is also complete. This is how it looks. So basically this picture is of a harvest day. You can see there are some people who are cleaning the grains. Here they are putting all the grains. Then there are some people who are carrying the grains. Then there is a lady in the house who is actually storing the grain. So the typical harvest day of the Warli people usually looks like this. So I've just tried to put my thoughts on the paper. So I think I'm quite happy with how it turned out. I hope you also like it. Now to hang these pictures, I have ordered some frames from Amazon. They are yet to come, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So once the frame arrives, I will put these pictures into the frame and then I'll show you again. So the frames from Amazon was not of the proper size, and the transparent plastic sheet had a print on it. So I had to return those. Now I brought these frames from local shop which has glass in front. This actually cost me 330 rupees per frame, and the size of this frame is 9.5 inch by 11 inch. I asked them to put both horizontal and vertical hooks so that I can use it however I want. So I think it's quite a good deal. After placing the paintings, this is how it looks. So this is all about how I have made Warli paintings for my entrance makeover. I hope you like this video. If you do, please make sure that you hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.